What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be using the new Makeup by Mario Glam Quads, and this is in the shade Party Glam. This is the blue quad. So beautiful. I used all these shades on my eyelids, so if you guys want to see how they perform and also want to know what I think about this palette, then stay tuned to the end of the video because I did do a little mini review for you guys. Alright, if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to do is start by applying some bronzer in my crease just to help out blend out that blue. I'm going to use my Alamar Cosmetics bronzer, and I'm using Soltera. Taking that on a R35 brush, and what I'm going to do is place this in my transition area. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in is with this matte blue shade in this palette. It's so pretty. And I'm going to be taking that on a Sigma E25 brush and taking the side of that brush. I'm going to pack this shade in the inner and outer corner of my lids. Also, if you guys see some sparseness right here, it's not the shadow, it's my eyelid. It's still pretty dry and I'm trying to deal with that right now. So far it's been so hard applying eyeshadow on because of how dry and crepey my eyes are. It's crazy. Okay, so now I'm taking my Morphe M562 brush, smaller brush, taking that same blue shade, and I'm going to take this in my crease and help out blend out the outer corners of the shadow. So now I'm just doing circular motions in the outer V, trying to extend this blue out a little bit, not too much. Going back in the crease. I know it looks really messy and ugly right now. Once we are done, it'll come out really nice. It's just my eyes that are messing up this beautiful shadow. Again, tapping on that blue shade. I'm going to go back in with that same brush I used for my bronzer. No extra product. And try to blend any lines that I may see. Now with a more detailed brush, this is my Morphe x Masking Beer brush. I'm going to take this beautiful shimmery blue right here. I'm going to pack this color on the outer edges of that matte blue that we have down. You guys, I know this is way off topic, but I'm so excited because I ordered the Raw Beauty Kristi times ColourPop collab that she did with them. And I'm so excited to get that in the mail. And I've heard great things about it, so I can't wait to try it out for myself. Did you guys get your hands on it? I feel like she deserves it. She worked so hard for that collab. And you see, I'm just tapping it on the outer edges. Trying to use all the colors in this palette, because why not? Now with another detailed brush, this is my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH42, and I'm going to go ahead and take this silver shade right here. I'm going to place that in the middle to give that spotlight effect. And feather it out to that blue that we placed on as well. I also like that I have zero fallout on my skin too. It's crazy. Going back in with that same shimmery blue that we used. and try to mesh everything together. Now with a pencil brush, this is my Sigma E30 brush. I'm gonna take that matte blue again, and I'm gonna run this under my lower lash line, close to my lower lashes as possible. These blues are just stunning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take that same bronzer shade and blend this bottom lash line out. Now with my Morphe M455 brush, I'm taking this gold, like a yellow grain shift gold, and place that in my inner corner of my eye. These shades are so complementary to each other. Sticking with the Mario theme, I'm going to be taking my Master Pigment Pro pencil in the shade Super Black and line my upper and lower waterline. I'm going to smudge that out a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my wing liner and apply my eyelashes, and I'll be right back to show you guys how everything looks put together. Alright you guys, so this is how everything looks with the lashes and liner on. I'm gonna zoom you back out so I can give you my final thoughts on this quad. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. And of course, I will leave everything linked or listed below what I have on my face if you guys are curious. And my final thoughts about this quad is, it's absolutely amazing. This blue is just perfect, and all the colors in here are just amazing. It does have two other colors in this collection. This is the Glam Quad, well, the Glam Quad Party Glam. And out of all the other two quads that he has, this is by far my favorite, just because it's the most unique. I feel like I have the other colors in my collection. I'll leave them right here so you guys can check them out. I feel like that's something you guys already have, and I really didn't need it. This is something I didn't have in my collection, and I just was dying to try it out. I will show you some swatches of it right now. So I will be swatching PG1, which is this beautiful blue. Ugh. So pretty. And then this is PG2, which is this beautiful silver. So pretty, you guys. And then this is, I want to say PG4. I accidentally skipped the gold. And here is the gold. They're just so pretty, you guys. Ugh. I definitely don't have any of these colors in my collection, so I had to get this specific palette. And this does retail for $25, which is not bad at all. And I feel like these colors performed so well. But if you guys are into the other colors and not like the more like dramatic colors like I am, then definitely go ahead and try the other ones out. I just feel like you may have those in your collection. I just don't want them sitting in my drawer. And you guys do know that I like reusing my makeup, so if you guys do want me to do another tutorial on this palette specifically, give me a thumbs up and let me know, and also let me know what other colors you guys want me to use on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And also, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.